What's up, Minecraft math superstars, and welcome to 4th grade's world on numbers and fractions. So in this world, we have problems and math models that cover all 7 of the 4th grade standards. Yes, we do, all 7 of them. All right, so the first one is going to be on making equivalent fractions by using the Great One. Dun, 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 dun. And no, I'm not talking about Wayne Gretzky. I'm talking about the Great One. A way to make ones out of any numbers and use them apply to fractions. So pretty much the way the Great One works is you times a number by 1 and you get the same number. So let me ask you some super duper hard math questions, 4th graders. What's 3 times 1? 3! What's 15 times 1? 15! What's 197 times 1? 197! What's 3/4 times 1? 3/4. What's banana times 1? Banana. Cool. So I think you get the point that any number times 1 is that same number. And that includes fractions. Like I said, 3/4 times 1 equals 3/4. Now, we could also create a 1 with a fraction like so. So let's take a look at this. We have 7 over 7. Like a fraction is also kind of a division problem. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. And over here is a math model of what 7 over 7 looks like. You have 7 solid blocks creating 1 stick of 7. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1,973 divided by 1,973, also 1. Banana divided by banana equals 1. So if I take those two concepts together, and I take like 3/4 and I times it out of a 1 created by 2 halves, then I will get 6/8. And that means 3/4 times 1 is 6/8. And so 6/8 must be equal to 3/4 because 1 times anything is itself. All right, so let's talk to the MPC and get started playing. Boom, 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 boom. Over here, you got some chests to get some blocks, and a camera and a portfolio to take pictures and document your work, and a pickaxe to break things if you make a mistake. Okay, let's take a look at our first problem. We have 5/10 times 10/10. So over here, we have a fraction. There are 10 blocks in all, and 5 of them are solid, so 5 out of 10, 5/10. And now we're going to need to make it into an equivalent fraction by multiplying it by a 1 created by 10 over 10. Super duper easy. All we do is we just build this one thing 10 times right next to each other, and it makes a rectangle. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And okay, so I built it once. And then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Check your work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have a length of 10. Build that up. And maybe even paint in the glass this way. And we are going to wind up with 5 times 10 equals 50. So there are 50 solid diamond blocks. And there are 100 blocks in all. So 5/10 could also be 50 hundredths. So there you go. That's one way to do it. Now that you built your math model, let's document our work. Take a picture of it. Put it in your portfolio and label your work. So I want to say 5/10 times 10/10 equals 50 hundredths. Voila. And another way to kind of prove that's equivalent fractions is look, this is 5/10 right here. And if I take this 10/10 and I look at it from the side, boom, it's 5/10. It's exactly the same. This is James signing off saying stay crafty.